So last time what we discussed is, just I'm going to quickly recap what and all we discussed, okay? So the first thing is we discussed about the definition of different trigonometric ratios, right? Let us assume that PQR is a right angle triangle, right angle at Q, and then let us assume that this is an angle theta. At R, the angle is theta. Now, this is where the angle is forming. So the opposite of this guy is PQ. So we call this as a opposite side. And this is called as a adjacent side. And this is called as a hypotenuse. Now we need to look into the definitions of each trigonometric ratio. First one is sine theta. So the sine theta definition is opposite side by hypotenuse. Means the ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse is called sine theta. Next, cos theta equal to
adjacent by hypotenuse.
right. Ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse is called cos theta. Next, definition of tan theta is ratio between
Opposite by adjacent.
right opposite side by adjacent side. This is purely the definitions. What we are talking is purely definitions in terms of opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent side. Now let's move to the other things. Cosecant theta equal to ratio between hypotenuse and opposite side is called secant theta. When it comes to the secant theta,
Hypotenuse by adjacent.
right, hypotenuse, good evening Murari, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Now, when it comes to the cot theta, right, cot theta definition is ratio
Adjacent by opposite.
adjacent side by opposite side. Is it clear, everyone? This is what we discussed. This is purely definitions, nothing to do with any other thing. Now, the second thing is what we also discussed, the relationship between the ratios, right? Between all the trigonometric ratios. This is also we discussed. What does it mean? What it is saying that, let's say for example, tan theta. How can I write tan theta between sine and cos or any other
Sin theta
trigonometric?
by cos theta.
Very good. Sine theta by cos theta. In other words, what else we can write tan theta? Tan
So
theta
1 by
equal
cot
to-
theta.
Right, 1 by cot theta. I'm sure that you people know how come it became a cot theta. But I'm not going to into much detail level because which already we discussed. Now, if you see that tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, if we do the cross multiplication, what happened over here? Tan theta
So you get
equal
1.
to- right. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. What does it mean? If the product of the two terms is 1 means both are reciprocal to each other. Both are reciprocal to each other. And what else we discussed? We also discussed cosecant theta equal to, how can we write cosecant theta?
1 by secant theta.
1 by secant theta or 1 by sine theta? 1 by sine theta. So if I do the cross multiplication, what happened over here? Sine theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. Again, the product of the two terms is 1. We can say that both are reciprocal to each other. And of course, we also discussed about other thing, secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta, right? Again, if I do the cross multiplication, what happened over here? Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Please copy these things one more time. I know you people already copied several times. Please copy one more time. What about others? Everyone had this snacks, coffee, tea, Boost, Horlicks.
Had milk, sir, and snacks are also done.
Hmm.
I drink coffee very rarely.
Sanjana, you are in hometown, came back to Bangalore?
No, sir, I'm still in hometown. I'll be back tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning or evening?
Sir, by tomorrow evening, I'll be at Bangalore.
Oh, okay. Who else not joined in 9th class? Pranav, Shita. Who else, ma? Pranav, Ishita? Boys, Jason, Jason,
Sir, and
Jam.
Sir, I'm
one
there.
more person's missing, sir, even Ishita.
Who? Ishita. Ishita, I noted down. Everyone copied?
Sir, 1 second.
So 1 minute.
What is this here? Climate is too hot. Bangalore itself is like this, means imagine other places. I know about what is her name? Hamsini, she said that she's not going to join today. All right.
Sir, even Yashita.
Dashita, she won't join IIT Foundation class. All right. Shall I erase?
Sir,
Just 1 minute.
Nakshatra, next week, can you take an exam for 3-4 topics together?
So I have my midterm starting from next week.
Okay, then don't disturb you. Except triangles remaining and all completed?
So we haven't done coordinate geometry and probability.
No, in our tuition.
Yeah, tuition only.
Triangles, coordinate geometry, probability.
Probability.
Okay. Total how many topics exam?
Sir, real numbers, polynomials, linear equations, probability, triangles, coordinate geometry, and trigonometry.
7 topics. Okay.
No, there are 8. And yeah, areas related to circles also.
Okay, 8. I think what they will do remaining time, already done. Most of the syllabus is over, right? In school.
Yeah.
Neha, where are you? Chennai or Tandrambatu?
Sir, Tiruvannamalai.
Chennai, okay.
Sir, Tiruvannamalai.
Tiruvannamalai, okay. All right, hope everyone copied. Let's move to the next thing. Nayanika, can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the important thing, children, whatever we discuss. Now, the other day we proven one theorem. I'm not sure how many people remember this. Okay, let us assume that A, B, C is a right angle triangle and right angle at angle B. Okay, what we proven the other day, sine square theta plus cos square theta
Cos square theta is
to
equal to 1.
1. This is an important identity because we oftenly use this identity. That's why this is important. So sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Let us assume that this is theta here. Again, this will become opposite side and this will become adjacent side and this will become hypotenuse. Today we are going to prove two more theorems, two more identities. What are those two more identities? We can say 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, or we can say secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Please note down, prove that 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, or what they will tell, this tan square theta goes to the other side, what it will become, tan square theta will become minus tan square theta. They may
Minus
ask
tan
you
square
like
theta.
this also, so that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Both are same only, children, don't get confused. Both are same only. All right, keep your notebooks aside. Okay, now tell me one thing I am going to ask. This is a right angle triangle, right? Right angle triangle means what we should remember? What is the condition we know?
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Please, everyone, please answer. Then only I'll get to know. So what Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse square equal to.
Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square.
Correct. So you can write. We can write that. No, don't write anything. Just listen. You people should listen. What is this? In triangle ABC, right? In triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. Angle ABC equal to 90 degrees, right? Now that means it is a right angle triangle. So if it is a right angle triangle, what logic we can apply according to the Pythagoras principle? Hypotenuse square.
AC
Is the
square.
hypotenuse here? AC square equal to,
BC
yeah, AB square plus BC square. Is it
BC
clear?
square.
This is the first step. Now let it be as it is. So according to this triangle, what is the definition of tan theta? We know that tan theta equal to, how can we write definition of tan theta? Tan
Adjacent.
theta equal to opposite side,
Opposite side by adjacent side.
right? Opposite side by adjacent side. From the diagram, what is opposite side? BC is the,
BC.
yeah,
BC by AB.
AB. Very good. What else we should know? What is secant theta? What is the definition of secant theta?
Secant theta.
Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is the value of hypotenuse here? AC.
AC
Uh,
by AB.
yeah, please copy till now. Proof.
Done, sir.
1 minute. Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now take the LHS. You can take any one, secant square theta minus tan square theta or anything is fine. Okay. Let me take LHS. So what is LHS? 1 plus tan square theta, right?
That is
1 plus tan square theta. So I'll write tan square theta as tan theta whole square. Tan theta whole square. What is the definition of tan theta? We will apply over here, which is opposite side by adjacent side. What is that opposite side? BC. Adjacent
BC by AB whole square.
right. BC by AB whole square. BC by AB whole square. Now you can expand that BC, that square you can expand, distribute. BC square,
BC square by AB square.
right. What is LCM here? AB square,
AB square.
which is equal to AB square.
AB square.
And then numerator will become AB square.
AB square plus BC square.
You already know that. What is the value of AB square plus BC square? It is there here, right? Let it be number 1. How can we write AB square plus BC square, which is replaced with
AC square.
AC square? That equal to AC square by AB square. Now tell me, AC square by AB square can be written as further AC by AB. Why I am
AB
writing this?
whole
Because
square.
we can replace AC by AB. What is the value of AC by AB? You can see here. AC by AB is nothing but secant theta.
Secant theta.
So secant theta whole square. Secant theta whole square is equal to secant square theta. That is what we need to prove. Please copy, children. I will explain one more time so that you will get more understanding. Everywhere you put
Okay, sir.
equal to. This you can write from 1. AC square we replaced, right? From 1. Chechi, why are you joining late, Chechi?
Sir, just came from dance class.
Because of you only, I took it 6 to something. Dance class, what time it starts? 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, yes, sir. And it takes half an hour to reach back.
Anika, your golf, what time? Saturday also?
Sir, on Saturday it's in morning.
Oh, you don't have anything evening. So I
No.
can pick 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock.
Yeah. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock is fine.
मुरारी भाई क्या है वो साउंड आवाज आता है क्या है वो आवाज
Sir, tomorrow can you take it in the evening?
tomorrow evening okay only tomorrow. I mean, if this exercise completes, then I can split 10th class separate and 9th class separate.
Okay, sir.
Everyone copied, children?
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
Shall we move to everyone understood? You want me to explain one more time? This is a very basic things, right? Whatever we discussed, we applied only the basic thing. What is the definition of sine theta? What is the definition of tan theta? Secant theta? The same thing we applied. Okay, nothing here, nothing new.
Done,
You
sir.
have
Understood.
please note down these things also. What we proved just now, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, right? We just proved 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Now, how can we write this another way? Tan square theta comes to this side. What it will become? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Please copy this also. Nishita, Chechi, camera on ಮಾಡಿ Chechi.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Chata ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರ? Chata. Chata means your brother.
Sir, Cheta.
Cheta. Cheta.
Yes, sir. He went down to playing.
Cheta is not doing homework or not studying. Ask him to practice at home. But morning 6 o'clock he joined the class, 6:30. You are sleeping. All right. Children, can you tell any idea you will get by seeing secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1? How can I further write this? Just think secant square theta minus tan square theta. What does it mean? You remember this. You know this. A square minus B square, right? Just this is in the form
Sir,
of
secant square theta
A plus
plus
B into
tan
A
square
minus B.
theta into secant square theta minus
Murari, where you will get again square. You won't get square.
Yes, sir. No square. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta.
Right. Please note down. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Left hand side, we written something like this. Is it clear, children, everyone? Shall we move to the next one? One more identity is there. That identity is also similar to this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need this diagram, so I will copy this. Control C. Note down in the same thing. Prove that 1 plus cot square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to secant square theta. Okay. You can give some space. Later you need to write what is this? ABC is a right angle triangle, right? Then you can say all these steps, whatever we written, right? Those things you need to write, you give some space. So now what we can say here, AC square equal to, again the same logic. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is number 1. What are the trigonometric ratios are involved over here? Right? One is cot theta.
Cot square theta, cosecant square theta.
Secant square. So what is the definition of cot theta? Cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. From the diagram, what is meant by adjacent side here? AB.
BA.
ABA or AB. Then opposite side is BC. Similarly, what is cosecant theta? Definition.
Hypotenuse by opposite side. In
Right.
this case, AC by BC whole square or AC square by BC square. Okay.
Hypotenuse by opposite side. Correct. Hypotenuse value is AC. Opposite side value is BC. Yeah. Please copy till now. Call disconnects.
Sir, I was actually in the midway of solving this, so I already have this.
ಏನಪ್ಪ ತಿಲಕ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ ತಿಲಕ್ ತಿಲಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಜೇಸನ್ ಪುರಿಂದಿದ ಜೇಸನ್
Yes, sir.
ಪುರಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯಪ್ಪ
Police, sir.
Ishita, what you call understood or not understood in Malayalam?
Sir, we should say Manasilayo.
I'm not
Huh?
Manasilayo.
Oh, Manasulayo.
That's for understand.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. That's for understand.
Okay, question mark. Manasulayo, question mark.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
That's right.
manipulate.
Neha,
Yes, sir.
did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now we need to prove that. So take LHS. I mean, we can put in the top only, you can put LHS and then you can continue, children. So this is what the LHS, right? So what is LHS? 1 plus cot square theta is the LHS. The same thing. How can we write 1 plus cot square theta? 1 plus cot theta whole square. Right? 1 plus cot theta whole square. What is the definition of cot theta? From the diagram, I can write cot theta equal to AB by BC and whole square. So again, you will expand this, right? You will distribute the square to both numerator as well as denominator. So that will become AB square by BC square. Now again, how do we add the fractions? We need to take the LCM, that is BC square. And then it will become BC square.
Plus AB square.
Right. But AB square plus BC square, whose value
Will
is?
be equal to the hypotenuse, that is AC square.
Right. AC square
By
by
BC square.
BC square. That equal to AC square by BC square. How can we write this? AC by BC.
BC whole square.
But we know that AC by BC is equal to cosecant theta whole square, which is equal to cosecant square theta. Is it clear, children? Or
Okay, sir.
yeah, please copy.
So you said 1 plus cosecant square theta. So I don't exactly understand how this gets proved.
Huh?
You said 1 plus cosecant square theta, right?
Is it? Who said to you? No, sir. 1 plus cot square theta only. Please copy.
Can you repeat the identity? I guess I wrote wrong.
Neha, when are you going back to Chennai?
Sir, tomorrow afternoon, so I'll reach by tomorrow evening.
Hey, ma, all of sudden?
So they're actually painting my grandfather's house in Tandrambatta, so my parents came to see.
Okay. Now you are in Thanrambattu or Tiruvannamalai?
So right now I'm in Tiruvannamalai, but my parents are in Thanrambattu.
How is your Dankoti Tata?
Yeah, so he's fine.
Okay. Dankoti means you know, right? Full of money. Your grandfather is full of money. All right. Everyone done?
So one
Yes.
second.
Chachi, camera on Madi Chachi. Mervi, why this fellow is joining here after 40 minutes? Yenappa Mervi.
So do we have class till 7 or 7:30?
No. We will end by 7 o'clock. I have 7 to 8, one class is there. Okay. We'll connect again 8 to 8:30. 8 to 8:30 we will connect.
The 9th class?
Yes. Continuation of this trigonometry.
Oh, okay.
I mean, nothing is there, right? 8 to 8:30 people will be at home only, na? Where you will go?
Yes, sir. Home only. But my grandmother is asking
My
for that.
study time.
Hey, John Babu, how are you?
Fine, sir.
What is time?
Sorry, sir. Guests have come.
Hey, what is this here? Guest is important or max is important? This fellow will think that guest is important, sir. Max, you are there now.
Not like that, sir.
Later also. Not like that, Babu. Marvi, I'll ask your father to give me a call. I'll check with your father. What is this, sir? Guest are important or max class is important? I know guest are also important, but you should join on time. All right. So what we proved here, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Don't copy, John. I'll send it in the WhatsApp group. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square. Otherwise, I will share the video, John. I'll upload in YouTube and go through the video. Equal to cosecant square theta. Same way what we did for 1 plus tan square theta. Here also we can do.
Sir, but I don't know your YouTube channels.
1 second. Cot square theta comes to this side, what it will become? Minus cot square theta. So 1 equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Is it clear? Seems to be one identity, but we can derive one more identity. This is the basic main important identity. Using that, we got this one. Again, same thing, a square minus b square. That is a plus b. That is cosecant theta minus, or you can say plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Please copy these things. Don't copy from the beginning. It will take time. We need to go to the next one. Copy from here. Please, children, focus your exam. Term exams are coming. I'm telling, right, your parents will check how many marks you are getting. But as you know, right, we cannot cover all the chapters from what they covered from the school. Because you know, school, they will teach only hardly 2-3 problems, remaining and all, they are giving homework. In our coaching center, it is not like that, right? That's where we didn't complete all the chapters, what they comes for midterm, okay? I think for 9th class, hardly 1 or 2 topics are lagging. You can come and ask the doubts in those topics. Suppose if you have any doubts. That's the reason we are taking doubts class also, okay?
Okay.
Done, everyone?
Yeah, done, sir.
I'll put it in the 9th class group, WhatsApp group. For me, 9th class is very, very important, okay? Because they should practice all the problems and they should do in exams. If not, you can ask the doubts. If you have any doubts, anytime you can come back and ask. Because the parents are interested, and we are also putting our all the efforts. Not necessarily for me to take extra classes and all, right? Sir, no. In some other coaching centers, they will see hourly basis. But here it is not there. Not following that culture. For the namesake, we are telling weekly 4 hours, but we are taking more than that. Right. So now